Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to connect external audio devices to Firestick.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Firestick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So, a very good external audio device you can connect to Firestick would be a speaker. So in this case, I brought a speaker along and I'm going to show you how to connect that speaker, which is an external audio device, to the Firestick. When you're here, I want you to go over to Settings. It's a gear icon to the right. From there, drop down and navigate over till you find controllers and Bluetooth devices. Now if you click on that, you find Amazon Fire TV remote, game controllers, other Bluetooth devices. Click on other Bluetooth devices and add Bluetooth device at the bottom. Now when you do that, you find different devices. Make sure your device is visible, so the Bluetooth is turned on and visibility of that device is also on. And this is where I'll be showing an example with my external audio device being Oraimo Rover. So right there you heard it, it is connected. All my audio pass through this device now, and I've successfully connected that external audio device to Firestick. Now if that was useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.